quite a bit. It's all.
Now that's an Uber. That's an Uber in Mexico.
These dudes are just like not even driving the road. We gotta walk down here.
Yeah, that's
Hey, pretty big walk.
It's pretty big.
Well, those dudes were like right next to us like 15 minutes ago. So we're about the traffic speed.
Oh my god! They should have come along with it. The Kiwis were in it.
You got the money to save, and I'm free. Yeah.
All these guys are way too hot. I hate taking photos. It sucks. Chris is talking about he wants to do a roll in the sand. Go on then. Let's see it. Oh, you're gonna be sandy now?
Nah, man.
I won't stop you except societal constraint.
I just wanted to do one.
My sister doesn't work like that.
Well, it's a little bit different.
A little bit different.
Filming all of that.
Ah, some of it. I'm not even sure where these came from, but I've got these lineup fixed.
Take me all the way. I wanna feel like I did that day, but tell me to.
The next class will be the Evolution class of number 1121 of Dennis Hollenbeck. In the number 1 position, the 1119 of Tom Onke. I think is how you say his name.
Still race and enjoy themselves. So, you know, we do get a little beat up, but they do a great course, and I really respect everybody who has given us courtesy, who has not roosted.
I speak with Miss Kristen Matlock. Kristen Matlock was also our overall UTV racer. Also a very successful racer right here. But Jeremy, coming down here, this was a bucket list item for you, and here you are standing on the stage tonight and accepting a number 1 position trophy.
Yeah, it's pretty incredible. After we retired from Local 4,
I was worth a shot, man. It was worth a shot.
And you and I had that conversation, which is kind of crazy because tires, they provided tires for us for this race.
They were great. Thank Alex and Lisa.
Come up here. Come on, Drew.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Everybody.
All right, anybody else? You guys know you have all these people on your shirt, but I know you always thank them as well. But getting here to the finish line.
Whoa. Yeah, have that one. Oh, look, I'm going.
Stock and beat the shit out of it. It breaks. You gotta fix it. And come back the next day.
Vintage 4-cylinder buggy in the Class 5 Baja Bug Crumco. Mr. Paul Hackett, make your way up here. Trucks, Jose Julio Santabanez, I think I said that right, in the 4Runner. The vintage 6-cylinder buggies will be our next one. The number 115 at Fabrico Barreto, and that number 3 position. The number 2 spot, the 147 at Pat McCarthy. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
All right, so the New Zealand team, right?
Yes, yeah, all the way from New Zealand.
I love the enthusiasm and the family and the friends that come over here. But down here racing Baja, I mean, what brings you to NORRA?
Well, it's our first time down here. We really wanted the challenge, and yeah, it's such an amazing event. So yeah, it was awesome, fantastic terrain.
Well, we love it that you came all the way over here to race NORRA. Who all do you want to thank for getting you out here?
I really want to thank all our family, all our supporters, Troy from the Fab School, my wife, and my 2 kids. And my amazing crew here. We all had a drive and all navigated for each other as well. The guys did an amazing job, keep the car all together, keep it on the track and keep it running for the whole 6 days.
Well, congratulations and welcome to NORRA and getting that number 1 trophy. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Paul Hackett.
You can both hold it. Here we go.
The vintage class. Come on, Bobby.
Sorry, counting myself for 6. All right, to my right is Dan Candler, owner of Sedona UTV, Outback UTV, he rocks. Joe Hay to his right. Joe is my unbelievable partner in off-road racing. Gordon Ricardo to his right. I've been racing.
We left early in this fireworks and we can't see it from our place. But I'm sure it is spectacular. Wow, that was really dragging on. It's like 10 o'clock at night. Yeah. The big old fireworks. They're pretty close, eh? Oh, there's one. There you go. And that concludes our trip to the 2026 NORRA 1000. We've had shitloads of fun. It's a disappointing result at the end, but we're hungry and we'll be back. Tomorrow we're up at 4:30 a.m. and we're gonna do our, whatever it is, 1,600 frickin' mile journey back to San Diego. So that'll be dope. Currently, still editing. We had a little pause in editing today. It was a pretty dusty day. We slept most of the day, to be fair. We went pretty hard last night. And we're just trying to edit and get our footage underway. Oh, an H20. Hell yeah, brother.
Wow.
Wow. Right. And that was, I don't even know what day it was. Friday or Saturday. What day is it?
Friday.
And that was Friday.
Monday.
It's not Monday. What do you love?
Oh, it was this part.
Vlog.
That bit. It's my favorite.
What?
Oh yeah.
Dude, there's a bit on the video that's just
Frankie.
I forgot to yeah, you know exactly what I've done. I know exactly what I've done. Oh, that's a bit of an editing error, isn't it? Hey, I was pretty dusty, dude.